Good day, everyone. Today, our team will be presenting the service blueprints for the chicken rice shop outlet in Changlun, which we personally visited and analyzed as part of our investigation. The members of our group are ZITA Pei-en, Serene Hongxue-Chi, Tan Ying-Yun, NURIA QISTINA, IZZATI, and Kok Boon-Chong. Let me start by introducing the Chicken Rice Shop, a halal certified meal restaurant in Malaysia that was established in the year 2000. The company is now one of the most well-known fast food chain in Malaysia. They focus on serving good quality food at affordable price with a friendly service. It's famous for its Hainanese chicken rice and popular tagline "Chicken Rice and More." Besides chicken rice, they serve over 25 other local flavors and offer some meals for individuals of the group of 6. In this project, our team focused on the outlet in Simak, Changlun. Its location is near UM and the Thai border, which made a popular spot for students, local families, and travelers. However, after interviewing the customers, we found two main service problems, which is store service and hygiene issues, like the flies near the leftover food. So these issues can hurt the brand image and reduce the customer satisfactions. Therefore, the objective of our report is to propose a new service improvement idea for the chicken rice shop based on the actual customer feedback gathered from the outlet in Changlun. We include a brief company situation analysis, share the outcome of customer interviews, and present the service blueprints. All of this aim to improve the customer satisfactions and support the restaurant's future growth, especially at the outlet in Changlun. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, now I would like to share a situation analysis of the chicken rice shop. Let's start with the external environment. According to the report, the Malaysia food service market is expected to reach $27.5 billion in 2030. So this shows that the demand for fast food is still growing. However, customers now not only focus on convenience, but also care more about health, sustainability, and technology-driven experiences. Besides that, the rise of online ordering and delivery also helped the chicken rice shop to reach more customers, but it also faced more strong competitors like McDonald's and KFC. Now let's look at the internal environment. Although the chicken rice shop may not be famous as other brands, but it still has certain brand awareness and loyal customers in Malaysia. In addition, the chicken rice shop has a good location and also provides a comfortable and air-conditioned space for dining. It also offers a diverse choice of halal certified food at affordable prices. However, some customers have complained about poor service or hygiene issues, especially during peak hours. So, these are some areas that the chicken rice shop needs to improve. Next is SWOT analysis. The chicken rice shop has strengths like affordable price, rich menu, good location, nice environment, and also online ordering through GrabFood and Foodpanda. But it still has some weaknesses like low brand awareness and concern about service and hygiene. So, are there any opportunities for the chicken rice shop to grow? The answer is yes. The chicken rice shop can add more vegetarian options, install self-service queues, or develop its own education. Furthermore, collaborating with government or promoting through social media can also help to attract more young customers. However, the chicken rice shop also needs to pay attention to strong competition, potential supply chain disruption, and rapidly changing in customer preference. So, how should the chicken rice shop respond? I think the chicken rice shop need to always adapt to market changes as well as improve their service quality in order to continue growing in the fast food industry. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now I would like to continue the part for interview outcome. We have interviewed two students who have been the chicken rice shop in Simak, Changlun and have experienced with some problem during their visit to help us get feedback and create some new service idea to improve customer satisfaction. There are two main reasons why customers keep visit. First is the delicious taste of food, especially their chicken rice. Second is they offer halal certified meal, which build trust and meet customer needs. However, there are some problems we found. First is the unhygienic condition. A customer saw flies and dirty table. This show the poor physical evidence, which will affect the service image. Another problem is long waiting time, especially during peak hour. So some customer wait up to an hour with no update, and this shows the lack of communication and relationship management. So while the food quality is good, they need to improve their cleanliness and service delivery to improve customer satisfaction.
Hi, my name is ZITA HANAFI. My metric number is 301893. So today I'm going to present a few simple and practical solutions to improve customer experience at the chicken rice shop Simat Chanlu based on the customer feedback. The main issue we raise are unhygienic and slow service during peak hour. The first one, we suggest assigning a cleaning staff during busy time. The staff member will clear leftover food and wipe tables quickly. This will preventing flies and ensuring clean sitting for a new customer. We also recommend giving them basic hygiene training to reflect positive customer service and maintain a welcoming dining environment. Next, to address slow service, we propose enhancing the workflow and food preparation. The restaurant should prepare popular dishes during off-peak hours and train staff to handle multiple duties. They will make the kitchen more productive and reduce waiting time by up to 25% during peak periods. Lastly, we recommend adopting table-side ordering technology. While QR code ordering is available, some customers face internet issue. By placing tablet at each table, customer can place in customized orders and track food updates without delay. In conclusion, this simple step can greatly improve customer satisfaction by ensuring cleanliness, faster service, and a better ordering experience. That's all from me. I'm going to pass to the next presenter.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuria, and now I'll be presenting our service blueprint, the key elements, and the bottlenecks. So before I dive into the elements and issues, let me just walk through our service blueprint. And so this blueprint is basically a visual map of a customer's journey at the chicken rice shop, especially after we introduced the tableside ordering system. Now, the blueprint shows everything from the moment a customer walks into the restaurant and all the way until they pay and leave. And it's broken into a few layers: the physical evidence, custom actions, front stage actions, backstage actions, and lastly, the support process, like the POS system, the tablet software, and scheduling system that keeps everything running. So this blueprint helps us find where the experience goes smoothly and where things might slow down or go wrong. Like from here, I'll be talking about those key touch points, both the good and the not so good. So next is the key elements and physical evidence of their influence. So the first one is the tableside tablet. So this is a major upgrade in how customers interact with the restaurant. Like it was inspired by places like Sushi King, and it lets people browse the menu, place orders, and even check on their food status. It's fast and user friendly when it works properly, but if it lags or crashes, it can become really annoying. So the tablet can either enhance a person experience or maybe ruin it if it fails. Next is the restaurant cleanliness. This might sound basic, but based from our interviews that we did, people really notice if the place is clean or not. Like dirty tables, leftover food, or even flies can instantly ruin a customer's mood. But on the flip side, a clean space shows that the restaurant cares about their customers, and it makes people want to come back. And then finally, the overall presentation. Like even with technology involved, customers still want friendly staff. You know, how they look, talk, and behave makes a difference. Same goes for the food presentation. Like if the meal looks good and is served with clean plates or maybe utensils, it can really boost the restaurant's image. Next and finally is the bottlenecks and the fail points. So the first bottlenecks is tablet lag and poor connectivity. For example, if the system slows down, the customer can't order properly and it causes delay before the kitchen can even get started. And the second one is order queue backlog in the kitchen. Like during peak hours, Too many orders that hit the kitchen at once can lead to longer waiting times and cause hangry customers. And the other three is the fail points that we identified, which is the first one is customers unfamiliar with the tablet system, especially older customers. Like they might not know how to use the system and might need help from the staff, which can slow things down. And then the second one is payment glitches. If there's a bug or confusing payment options, people get frustrated right before they leave, which is, I think, the worst time for things to go wrong. And the last one is unhygienic dining area, which is dirty tables, for example. This one often gets overlooked sometimes, but it's actually super important. If tables aren't cleaned quickly after a customer's leave, like it can lead to hygiene issues and a bad experience for the next customer on that table.
So, here are the solutions we suggest to solve the main problems. First, to fix the table lag, the restaurant should upgrade to a stronger internet line and prepare a backup line in case of failure. Daily maintenance like charging and software updates are also important. And having spare tablets ready helps prevent service delay. For the kitchen backlog, we suggest using the KDS properly by adding visual feature like timers or color codes. This can help staff prioritize better. Also, cross-training staff to handle different kitchen roles will give more flexibility during peak hours. Next, some customers do not know how to use the tablet, so we recommend making the design simple with big text and clear icons. Staff should help customers when they see them struggling. A small tutorial card on the table can also guide the customer step by step. Then, for payment glitch, we suggest making the payment screen clear and showing all charges, a reliable POS system, and offering different payment methods like e-wallet will give customers more choices. Staff must be trained to handle problems during checkout. Lastly, for hygiene, we propose assigning staff role for table cleaning, having a cleaning checklist, and making sure staff follow hygiene rules. Regular pest control is also important. All these suggestions aim to improve service and give customers a smoother and cleaner dining experience. To conclude, our group learned a lot from this project about the chicken rice shop in Changnun. Although the restaurant is famous for its tasty halal food and good location, we found two big problems: dirty dining condition and long waiting time. From interview and observation, we saw that small things like leftover food, flies, and slow service really make customers unhappy. So, we suggest hiring cleaning staff, training workers to be faster, and using tablets or self-ordering system to improve speed and hygiene. This project taught us that good food is not enough. Cleanliness, fast service, and friendly staff are also very important. We hope our idea can help TCIS improve, and we're proud because we also improve our teamwork and problem solving skill through this assignment. Thank you.